Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we're breaking down the 15 asset classes making people rich in 2025 and beyond. From classic real estate to cutting-edge investments, we'll help you build a strategy for lasting wealth. This isn't about luck, it's about smart, strategic asset acquisition. Ready to level up your financial game? Let's dive into the assets you need to know. Grab a coffee and take notes. Here are the 15 assets building real wealth right now. First up, residential real estate, the home you live in. Your primary residence is often your biggest asset, building equity as you pay down your mortgage and as property values rise. Unlike renting, every payment increases your ownership and net worth. Homeownership is a proven path to wealth, with homeowners' net worth far outpacing renters. Over time, real estate appreciates, providing a reliable store of value. With planning and discipline, it's accessible to most people. That's why it's the cornerstone of so many fortunes. Take real estate further with rental properties. Tenants pay your mortgage, build equity, and provide monthly cash flow. You gain appreciation, tax advantages, and passive income. Rental properties help you scale wealth. Others pay your debt as your asset grows. It's a powerful trifecta: cash flow, equity, and appreciation. Stocks are one of the most accessible ways to build wealth. Buying stocks means owning a piece of real businesses, like Apple or Tesla. As companies grow, you profit from capital appreciation. Over time, the stock market trends upward, rewarding patient investors. Diversifying across many stocks lets you benefit from economic growth. Stocks are liquid, scalable, and offer unlimited upside. Let's zoom in on dividend stocks. These pay you regular income just for holding them, like getting rent from a company. Reinvesting dividends accelerates compounding, growing your wealth faster. Dividend stocks are ideal for building passive income, especially in retirement. They offer stability, income, and long-term growth. It's a proven strategy for steady growing returns. Bonds are all about stability and capital preservation. You lend money to governments or corporations and get predictable interest payments. Bonds cushion your portfolio during market downturns and provide steady income. They're less risky than stocks and essential for diversification. Bonds help balance growth with safety. Every serious investor needs some fixed income. Want stock market growth without picking individual companies? Enter ETFs. ETFs let you own a basket of stocks or bonds, giving you instant diversification. Many ETFs track indexes like the S&P 500, so you get exposure to hundreds of companies. They're low cost, easy to trade, and great for passive investing. ETFs make building a balanced portfolio simple. For most investors, they're a smart, stress-free choice. For safety and liquidity, consider high-yield savings accounts and CDs. Both are perfect for your emergency fund. Safe, FDIC insured, and accessible. High-yield accounts pay better interest than regular savings. CDs lock in your money for a set term at a higher rate. They won't make you rich, but they protect your cash and offer peace of mind. Want real estate income without being a landlord? Check out REITs. They make it easy. REITs own and manage commercial properties, paying out most of their profits to investors as dividends. You get exposure to real estate markets with the ease and simplicity of buying a stock. REITs offer high yields, diversification, and liquidity for your portfolio. They're a great way to tap into real estate's long-term value, perfect for income-focused investors. Home equity is a powerful, often overlooked asset. As your home's value rises and your mortgage shrinks, your equity grows. You can access it through a HELOC or home equity loan for renovations, investments, or debt consolidation. Used wisely, it's a low-cost source of capital that can unlock new wealth-building opportunities. Just be strategic. Your home is on the line. Owning a business or investing in private companies offers explosive growth potential. Entrepreneurs build wealth by creating value and controlling profits. Private equity lets you invest in promising companies before they go public. The risks are higher, but so are the rewards. New platforms are making private investments more accessible than ever. For those willing to take the leap, the upside can be massive. Alternative investments like hedge funds, venture capital, and private credit offer unique returns and true diversification. These assets aren't tied to stock market swings and can boost your portfolio's resilience. They're complex and best for experienced investors, but new platforms are opening access. Alternatives can provide non-traditional income and growth, a powerful addition for the right investor. Commodities like gold, oil, and agricultural goods are tangible assets that hedge against inflation. Gold is a classic store of value in uncertain times. Commodities diversify your portfolio and often move independently from stocks and bonds. You can invest directly or through ETFs, but they can be volatile. Commodities are a smart inflation hedge. Fine art and collectibles, rare paintings, classic cars, or vintage watches blend passion with profit. Scarcity and global demand push prices higher, making them a real alternative asset. Returns can be huge, but expertise matters. New platforms offer fractional ownership, making this space more accessible. Collectibles are illiquid, but can offer uncorrelated returns and pride of ownership. For the knowledgeable, they're both investment and enjoyment. Infrastructure and land are the backbone of society and offer long-term stability. Investments like toll roads, utilities, and farmland generate steady, inflation-protected cash flows. While direct ownership is tough, specialized funds and ETFs provide access. Land is finite. Demand grows as populations rise. These assets are great for patient, long-term investors. They're tangible, stable, and proven stores of value. Intellectual property, patents, copyrights, and trademarks can generate passive income for decades. Royalties from books, music, or inventions pay you long after the work is done. Today, you can buy and sell royalty streams or fractional interests in IP. It's a unique, non-correlated asset class. IP offers work once, get paid forever potential for anyone. There you have it, 15 assets powering wealth in 2025 and beyond. True wealth comes from a diversified portfolio, some assets for growth, others for stability, and many for passive income. Start now, keep learning, and consistently acquire assets. Every dollar invested is a step toward financial freedom. Like and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. See you in the next video.